An example in recent times where participants' rights were violated was with college students back in 2019 at the University of California, San Diego, by Dr. Kang Zhang. Dr. Zhang was a predominant eye doctor and researcher and was found to have enrolled individuals into medical trials without proper consent and failed to maintain adequate records. Additionally, with that, Dr. Zhang had performed HIV tests on participants without their permission and failed to complete necessary ethics training for a stem cell study. The most notable item that I found about Dr. Zhang is that he was performing a surgery on an individual who is not in any of these studies whatsoever, but during that surgery, Dr. Zhang had poked a hole in the participant's eye with a needle, causing a cataract that had to be fixed with surgery. It was later reported that Dr. Zhang was in a hurry to a trip to China. So all of these are just adding up. These layers are adding to show how unethical and how carefree he is being towards his patients and individuals. It is important to know about past examples of human subject violations because without them, it has not led us to the point where we're at now, having the IRB, which is the group of individuals who basically oversee and review an individual's research study and determine whether it should be passed and the research should be conducted, or if it is failed and they should just stop from there. Having this group, the IRB, is very helpful to current and future studies that individuals are wanting to have, so we do not have instances that have occurred in the past with subject studies or individuals who have not even signed up for the research group, such as the individuals who were victims of Dr. Zhang's research study. A similarity that has happened in the past with Dr. Kang's study, in my view, is the Tuskegee syphilis study. It was where African American men were enrolled without informed consent and denied treatment for syphilis after penicillin had become available. I believe it is very similar in style because in both groups, the participants had no idea they were being enrolled into a study until it had undergone and it was too late.